And we are back. Let me show you some more of the plants that we have in the White House. So I showed you the burgundy sunset. This is the Jester. Now, when we brought this Jester in, it was, I don't know, this big, but it gets some really beautiful colors. You know, imagine a couple of these in your front garden. And then we've got the Safari Sunset, similar to the burgundy, but a slightly different shade of flower on the top. And again, when I brought those in here, they were all like that big. So it's about 6 months. That is a weed. So you don't want that one. And then we've got the birthday candles. I've shown you the birthday candles before, but look how, that's why we call them birthday candles. This eventually flowers. That looked a bit rude, didn't it? So yeah, see? Looks pretty cool like that. More to go.